you know, and nabirowoozaako nengamba naye nga nkyalina eddoboozi.
Let me use it.
Let me use this word right now. Nga bwenjogera abantu bawulira. Naye bizibu. It's a very, very big challenge. Yeah.
Do you regret going into it?
No, I'm not regretting, because at the end of the day, let me suffer today so that I can at least enjoy tomorrow.
Kubanga lyomaze kuwa president wa Uganda Musicians Federation, what would you say has been your biggest achievement thus far? Jogamba, you know what? I'm glad I did this, and I'm glad this has happened.
Yeah, abantu bazukusa bategedde ani ababeera ababbirawo. Kati omubbi bamumanyi bakyali just shy and intimidated and bakyalina fear, because in this era we live in fear. Omuntu aba agamba we nayogerako but they know. You know, ekyomukisa omulungi kati bamanyi naye nga bomanyi nti omuntu yenna bw'aba amanyi at least ye bw'aba atidde alibuulirako omulala. You understand? So kamu gwe muganda, one day, one time we shall overcome.
Definitely.
Juzi wano twagenda ne tuba ne Palazzo Nganya concert. Alliance Skin natekayo concert ku lunaku lwe lumu. Recently we had Gravity and Navi
on the same day as well.
Yeah. It's now becoming a bit of a trend that Ugandan musicians are going to hold concerts on the same day. As the president for this federation, what are your thoughts? Is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing?
It shouldn't have been good, but you know, unfortunately, a good found. You know, and see a look speed, you know, and I feel like there's room for everybody. Because shares also never color, but they all get people. About fan base waiting. And that comes not because people are selfish, they want to fight each other, but it's because of what they were found that there's no time. They want what they go in Amukwanogo. Ubato mubulidde nti nno nyina omukolo ne bwe ba wedding ato mubulidde nti nno nakubona newe togenda ogira otogendayo
ngana ye atadde
yateekako dda yenga yakusooka naye. So obudde bwafuna, trust me, we are many people ennaku ziri awo nti no, that comes ate n'ekirala ne population egenda egejja each and every day, so we're good to go.
We're good to go. So you think it is okay?
I'm telling you, you do research, you will see. There's no time.
Because one would think, as the president for this federation, wouldn't you be able to call these people to order, sit them down and say, I think this is what we should do?
Yeah, when you look at these shows happening, they have no bad blood.
Yeah.
They are good people, very humble people, peaceful people.
Yeah.
There is no time. You understand?
No, you might not call it out.
Gravity. Mind you, Gravity are good tickets.
Yeah.
Whatever, but you can see time. There is no time.
You just mentioned that you have festivals lined up. You are a very busy man. You are on one flight after another. Do you think this has affected your love life, family life as a man?
Yeah, of course. Chileta moves. Obo ino bakolera future now bachimanya.
Yeah.
Nenga chana lewa.
Chana.
Chana.
Atofema.
Ndiao.
Olimpia boda. Do you realize it's even blushing while they say but
there's something you know.
Yeah.
What your mind should have
what is that night called? Jam session.
Feel up
of where Hajj.
Ate, kane tunirabira twali tukyali awo nga tulaba story wali eriko mbu Kenzo ne Lydia Jazmine mbu. So, what would you say about that?
Mbuchi.
But they are together.
How? They were together at the jam sessions. In a different way.
Boba mandika story ya lwene bagamba mbu
Nero take it into
Okay. Njagala nga wetuba tukulabye n'omuntu tugambe Kenzo yatugamba nti kino kyayagala kati waliwo ekitambula. What kind of women do you like?
Njagala mukazi mugezi ebugina buke bufedi.
Nyash.
Wow.
For sure.
You might as well be the only Ugandan man that doesn't like Nyash.
Who wants an intelligent woman?
Teri atayagala bintu ebyo naye ate muna ogenda okutunulira ebiseera bisinga abantu babeera balina ebintu ebyo bibalinnya ku mutwe nalowooza ensi weekoma
naye erabira muno ate
nadde wansi.
If we are going to be doing something good musically as a country, we need more people that are crossing borders like Eddy Kenzo. We're going to need more people nominated for BET Awards, Grammy Awards, and Kenzo Tagenda Chikola Yeka. So for artists and musicians that are listening, what do you think we need to do musically for us to get more people in a place where you are?
Yeah, and it's one of the reasons why I'm into this federation. At least to use one voice to fight for our rights. Because people cannot make it when they're poor. People are smart, people have talent, but it needs a lot of investment to go international. Today when you look at the videos that people show, not only the Nigeria videos not only the Nabapia Nabakade, not only the for example in Tanzania, abavuka batandise bakolera ddala videos ezirimu ssente gavumenti zaabwe zaba supporting and now they are good to go. Otunuulira Kenya bayisiza copyright mulimu digital babawadde ne private copy levy balina ne telecoms kati batwala almost 52 funa 1.8%. Yeah, and oba olaba nti abantu bagezi music bamuyina talent weri but they don't have money and you cannot make it. Omuntu ashootinga video ya mitwalo 5 ayina budget ya mitwalo 3 one song. How you gonna compete with them? You know, ennaku zino ne playlists bazisasulira ezo zonna Spotify bazisasulira. Kati what are you gonna do? Even if you have a good song, you cannot make it when you're poor. You know, kyobola tulwanako tugamba government yaffe wake up man, do what you have to do because okutegeeza abantu nyingi.
As someone that gets millions and millions of views on YouTube especially, do you think that these views can actually be manipulated? Views and likes and what?
Yeah.
Are yours legit?
Because I'm a creative man. Yeah.
But they can be manipulated. Of
course, very good. Very good.
Would you say
at one time, with the time, waliwo ebivaako ogenda okulaba ezaali 50 ziri 49 yeah, even on social media zibeera on and off. You know, fake is fake, my friend. Fake cannot last longer.
Mbera nkyewuunya because kati bw'ogamba nti manipulating ebintu bino ogezaako okwerimba oba olimba abalala. Are you know, lying to yourself that people like the music, or if it's a video, or you're lying to other people this is what is going on?
Yeah, when you look at these countries like America, where people fake until they make it, you know, people fake until they make it. Abasajja bola agenda najja ne Lamborghini ne bamuleetera cheese chain olumala shootinga video n'abijjamu n'abizzaayo n'adda mu Uber. Kati feno ne tulisivinga kiri ntugamba oyo yamala. And that's how they have lived and they have made it finally. But okay, so making kubanga abantu balowooza that's real life. Yeah, it's real life.